Let's talk about gold paint. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So behind me you can see I'm putting a large amount of gold in my artwork. Now I want to talk about the different types of gold paint, but before I do that I want to mention that the birds here are actually gold foil. The rest of this areas are gold paint. Well, I was using this gold paint, and I'm not being paid by anybody, just to let you know. But this is the one I was using, the latex. And it was working okay. I had to do about 2 or 3 layers to have the gold really shine. Well, this is like ran out. So I ordered online the golden, and I was actually surprised that they actually have gold paint. And this really works. Not only is this thicker, which I kind of expected, but it actually is, you only use 1 coat, and it actually looks about the same as the foil without the mess. I was just like really happy with that. So I don't know if you can see it, but it actually looks really good. So if you're in the market for gold paint, I would suggest this. That's my opinion. I'm not being paid by it, but just thought you like to know. So until next week, love you guys. Bye-bye.